pattern, we can say that one of the toothpicks will be our constant. And what's changing is that depending on the figure number, we're going to add 2 more. Here we add 2 and another 2. Here we add 2, 2, and 2. So the pattern here is going to be 1 plus 2n. Right? Depending on the figure numbers, we'll add 2 times the figure number amount of toothpicks. So if we have then 100 toothpicks, what would be the figure number? Okay, so in this case, right, a number plus 1 is 100. So that number has to be, right, so it has to be 99. Okay, I know that if I multiply 2 by a number, right, I need to get 99. But if you look carefully, this is a odd number. If I multiply 2 by anything, it must be even. So since this is an odd number, right, this tells me that for using 100 toothpicks, we can't make any of these patterns, no matter what n we have.